Hey, I'm Liv, and today we're gonna be unboxing my Shopmissa haul. Oh my goodness, this thing is so big. Okay, let's get on with it. So this is deceptive. This is my Shopmissa haul, but I can feel these big kind of padded air pockets. I'll show you what it looks like in a second, but there's not as much stuff in here as it looks like. Let's cut it open. So for Black Friday, Shopmissa did like 25% off and $1 shipping to the US, something like that. So I picked up a whole bunch of stuff that I'd been curious about. I can feel the static. What a super cool, inventive way to keep your items safe. Like, this feels like a brick. I almost want to use it. Oh my gosh, it's like one of those 90s backpacks or couches. Do you remember? Oh my gosh, that's making me really nostalgic. Like, I want one now. I would love a backpack. Like, can't I just cut this open and turn it into a backpack? I'm such a kid. You know how kids get more excited about the box than the thing inside them? Or was that just me? Let's open this. Is this gonna pop really loudly? Okay, so you can pull this over here. Oh, and then it's just gonna release. Cool. Oh my God, I can totally keep this as a bag. I should not be that excited, but I am. Okay, so specifically what I wanted from Shopmissa was their empty palettes. They have the best price that I found for this, and I have so much eyeshadow over and so many wonderful palettes that I've been using a lot of my wonderful palettes, which is great, but their color schemes seem to be similar. I seem to go for the sort of fairy, pixie kind of magical look, and I've been thinking of creating my own palettes, mixing and matching all the single shadows I have. So I needed to do a big order from Shopmissa, get some empty palettes from them, and of course I threw some other things in. One of those things that I was really excited about was their headwear. They have a lot of head stuff, hair stuff, and it's all $1 or $1.88, something like that. I'm pretty sure it's $1. So this is so cute. This is so cute. I wear a lot of head stuff because hair stuff, whatever, because I work out a lot and I like to keep my hair out of my face, and I'm just not good at having my hair down anyways. So I love these kind of things, and I'm gonna be looking at the monitor a bit for today. That's so cute. It's so cute. And this is great for curly hair second or third day when your hair is not super fab, but you just put it up in a messy thing and it looks a little more put together. That's really, really cute. I did this Ulta haul. Oh, this is gonna mess up my curls. Okay, so I did this Ulta haul, my most recent video, or second most recent video, and the Ulta magazine showed like one of these for $10. So it's a hard one, but still. Okay, we're gonna pull things out willy-nilly. Ooh, I'm really excited about this. The Shop AOA Coconut Lip Mask. I really don't like the Laneige lip sleeping mask, which is like $16 to $20 depending on where you find it. So I think this, since it's a Shop AOA or AOA Studio, it's a $1.88, and it actually says that on there. I love coconut. I'm very excited by this, and I love that I don't have to stick my finger in it to apply it. So I have tried some of the AOA Studio lip stuff before, and it's fantastic. What else do we have? Oh, this is another one of the hair things that I got, but this looks a little more appropriate for working out. Not quite as pretty as the other one. It says princess, and it's sort of a terry cloth. Oh, it has a Velcro. I might find this annoying because Velcro and curly hair. Oh, yeah, I'd probably put it on a day that I don't care about my hair, or when I'm, I don't know, in the bathtub or something. Oh my gosh, I was so excited about this. It's pineapples. Okay, this is cut relatively poorly, which is fine for $1. Oh my goodness though. It has a little gold detail and everything. This is so cute. So I have a friend who loves pineapples. I think it's because of a band, but how do you style this? I need someone more chic than me to tell me how to style this stuff. So I thought about her when I got this, and I think I got 2 pineapple things, but one day I can give it to her. Yeah, I need help from someone, or I'll do this more carefully sometime. Ooh, I totally see this as like an updo sort of thing. I really want to do the rockabilly look at some point. Okay, I'm not gonna, should I open all of them? Yeah, I'll open all of them and try to do it quickly. I got a lot of hair ones. This one is so cute. This is totally the sort of rockabilly 70s look that I was thinking. Ooh, that one was really tight. Oh, they're all very comfortable so far though. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. With the red background too. I love this one. I really love this. Ooh. Okay, there's another pineapple. This is a yellow one. The other one was a white one. I think the white one's definitely cuter. but they're both adorable. I can't believe this stuff is $1. This one is something. We'll open up and see. It's not that I can't believe this stuff is $1. It's that I can't believe the expensive stuff is so expensive. Cause like this is a strip of fabric and I've seen things like this that cost way more. These are little elephants. This one's quite weird looking, but I like the colors. I do like the colors. Okay, now we're taking a break from hair stuff and we got the Paw Wonder Blender. I'm not actually sure if I've tried this before, but this is the one pretty sure that everyone talks about. And apparently using a beauty blender is better for dry skin than a brush because you might not scuff up your dry skin and might see less texture. So maybe I'll give it a shot, but I'm relatively low maintenance in the level of high maintenance that I am, and even just wetting a blender sounds like a lot of effort for me. It doesn't have to make sense. What else do we have in here? My goodness. I have a liquid liner. I think this is the green one. Yep, they have, should we try it out? Try it out. This is gonna be a really long video. Hopefully you like this style of video. Let's do a swatches on scars. I have some other stuff under there, but this is their forest green liquid liner. Wow, that looks pretty excellent to me. I mean, it looks mostly black. It's just the barest hint of green, but that's just fine. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this got really bashed up. Oh, sad day, but it still looks usable. It's the AOA Studio Lip Oil in coconut. Clearly I love coconut. It's quite dinged up, but I'm sure it's just fine. The thing that I was looking for was the honey oil and I couldn't find that anymore, so I got this instead. Ooh, foundation. I have the AOA Studio Buildable Satin Foundation in the shade something, Sand, and that's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good and yellowy peachy. I don't know what my skin tone is. I'm very excited to try this. I almost exclusively use e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, so this will be exciting to try. Their Diamond Lip Gloss in the shade Mermaid. I'm literally wearing one of my most favorite lip glosses of all time, which is the Incredible Lip Gloss. I think the shade Girl King. I'm not sure. But this AOA Studio Diamond Lip Gloss is sort of, I'm hoping is a dupe for that. This looks really magical. Hell, let's swatch it quickly. Put a little swatch on scar over there. Swatch on scars. That's hard to see. Hard to see, but hopefully you can see that sheen. That's really beautiful. Totally my jam. So I'm really lacking in lip products, but I would say it's a green blue and what I'm wearing is sort of like a pinky blue. So this is Mermaid. Oh duh, it's much more mermaid and I'm wearing like fairy, which is so great. This is awesome. Jeez, things are jammed in here. Okay, so now we have the Pro Wear foundation. The other one was like a liquid foundation. This looks quite light. It's in the shade Buff. This is me with no tan. I don't know, it might be unusable, but I'll mix it with something else. And then I have the list of items. We don't need you. Ooh, what's this? I got a brush cleaning sponge, not sponge, tin thing. So there's actually a little brush soap in here and you can like wet the brush and rub it on here. I got the scent strawberry and it does not disappoint. That smells absolutely delicious. If you have a problem with fragrance, this is heavily fragranced, so you would not like this. Maybe they have an unscented one, but I just think it's quite cool, and I guess you rub your brush on this with some water and you're good to go. I'm assuming. It's an argan oil sponge soap. Sponge soap. I hope it's a brush soap too. I'm gonna try it. Okay, I got the AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream. This is also quite dinged. I'm not sure how everything got so bent, but it's rather dinged on the back. This looks like a much better color for me. It is medium. I wonder how many shades they had. I'm just really interested to try all their foundation stuff. If you're interested in seeing a video on that, let me know down below. So I'm a big fan of affordable face stuff. I'm not sure why. I guess it's just there's some stuff that's so incredibly expensive and foundation seems to be the thing that you can go through really easily, sort of like mascara. And I have my affordable mascara that I love, and I have an affordable face product too, and it works wonderfully. I love the e.l.f. face product, the Flawless Finish Foundation, so I know that it doesn't have to be expensive to be great. Ooh, sculpting brow pencil. Oh, go. So this I got to see if it's as good as my e.l.f. brow pencil. This container feels much better than the e.l.f. There's something about it. The spoolie feels really great. That's lovely. And the other end of it just feels very solid. And that's a pretty good looking color. Maybe a little dark for me, I'm not sure, but I'm impressed with the packaging. as I put it on the wrong way around and totally smushed the edge. User error though, user error. That's why it's nice when stuff is cheap. Can't take me anywhere. Okay, let's see what else we can get out of here. Stuff is really jammed in. This one head thing comes with an entire package thingy. Oh, it's multifunctional headwear, and here are all the ways you can wear it. You can wear it, oh my God. It literally has all these different ways to wear it. I don't know. It's a buff, it's a buff. I wear these all the time. Gym for $1, this is just fine. And I think I have another color. Oh my God. So I actually got this orange one because this band I really love is called Goldfish. And they've been doing live streams and stuff. And they put us sort of on the video screen, all the patrons on Patreon. And we dress up often, and I don't have that much orange stuff. So I was like, ooh, orange buff. This could be good for dressing up for one of their streams. So feeling very goldfishy now. It works, I like it. What else do we have? I believe I smushed that eyebrow thing. Ooh, so I got a stick blush, Creamy Dreams blush stick. I don't really like blush. I just keep trying it. But I do like colors like this, and I'm curious if I could pull it off. You know, get a little rosiness to the cheeks there. That could go in the whole Shopmissa foundation video, theoretically. Liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna see if this is the same as the e.l.f. one. Basically, I did a really huge e.l.f. order for Black Friday, and it got more expensive than I thought. Like, their prices have been creeping up. And so I thought I'd try Shopmissa, because Shopmissa is like where e.l.f. was. Most things are $1, $1.88, whatever. That's where e.l.f. was when I sort of adopted them fully into my routine. So if I can switch stuff out with Shopmissa, I can sort of get back to a more affordable base makeup spending. This head one is really pretty looking. Oh, I love this one. I love it. I really love this. Oh, it feels really nice. It's thick. This is my favorite. It's definitely my favorite one. What is Crystal Collection? Was that it? Kind of overloaded here, but this one, this feels lovely. It also feels really nicely made, which is insane. It's like perfect double-sided. Everything is lovely. Oh, you can see a sort of seam there, but it's fine. Man, I got a lot of stuff, and I don't think my order was very expensive. Ooh, another BB cream in the shade Light. Okay, so my previous shade was medium. These look very close to identical. Can you see? Really quite similar. So, all right, we will see which of those works. Buying foundation online when you haven't seen things is so hard. I also got a little brush because I would love to have a concealer brush. I don't have. And I think I was gonna use this as concealer brush. Yeah, that looks somewhat appropriately sized. We'll see how that goes in the face video if I do that. Oh my goodness, I have a little, oh, I got another one of the little brush cleaners because I have sort of buffed an indentation in mine. These are fantastic. I've heard the name Veramona Color Switch used before. I think that's what a lot of people use, and this is $1. It works really well. All right, what do we have here? Ooh, Oh Honey Shop. Why do I keep saying this? AOA Studio Oh Honey Lip Gloss. This was definitely $1 because it says it's $1 on it. And I mean, come on, old school rollable. Their honey stuff, it smells just like honey. Ooh, oh my God. I really missed this experience of putting on lip stuff like this. I know ColourPop does this stuff. That rollable is hard to roll. Oh, there we go. Delicious. I know ColourPop does this stuff, but I don't tend to buy from ColourPop. I have bought from ColourPop. I think I only did 1 or 2 orders, but I feel like I would buy too much stuff that I don't need. But Shop AOA or Shopmissa, they have such a variety of stuff, so you can get all sorts of stuff. This has little grabbies, so I'm not gonna put on because it will ruin my hair, my curls, but this is very cute. It looks quite small, but this actually goes with what I'm wearing. Very cute. Oh, geez. Another pineapple. I got the pink one. I really love hair things. Another little scrunchy thing. Ooh, I'll try this one on. When I did my Ulta video, I think I was referring to this. That looks a little weird on me. Why does it look so weird on me? Maybe. There, quite cute. I like it. Those hard Alice Band ones are a little smaller than I would like, but I got a liquid liner in brown. So coffee, I think. No, it's just brown. Ooh, this looks like another good one. Does anyone else order from Shopmissa and get largely hair product? Am I just weird? This is really cute looking. This is really small. Oh my God. I don't know if I can put this one on. I will commit to having this one on when I have a bad hair day. Okay. Ugh, that was really tight. Randomly really tight. Maybe I can stretch it. It's pretty looking though. Oh, my head. And now the finale, I think. All this stuff is packed in there. I guess I got a free eye patchy thingy. Interesting. Don't send me silly free stuff, please, because I'm not gonna use that. Oh God, how do you get this out? I thought there was something else in there. Nope, okay. All right, my empty palettes. I'm so excited. I also got the ones, oh, I thought I got ones without mirrors, but it doesn't really matter. Look how cute. I think it was $4, maybe more, but I can't wait to build some palettes, put together different sort of schemes so I can change up my game and try out different colors. You can't go wrong with their palettes. They were really gorgeous. This one actually, perhaps you've seen this one before. I've seen it in a lot of videos, but I didn't know that it's marbled. Because there's another one that I think is just white with this kind of look but lines. I think I have that one somewhere. Anyways, this is marbled and then it has the gold and the colors over it. So it's actually lovely. This is really lovely. I also love this one. This is beautiful. And then this flamingo one. I am a little bummed that you can't get them without mirrors. I mean, I guess this is nice for travel, but I have such a hard time seeing that I don't think I would use this. But then again, it's good to have. So I can't wait to build my own palettes with this. That is it. That is everything I got from Shopmissa. Let me tell you how much I spent quickly. $40.31. I think that's pretty crazy. Like, this is an enormous amount of stuff. $40.31. I did not cheap out. I didn't deal hunt. I got things that I was interested in, things that I will use. I love these. I cannot believe I got this much stuff for $40.31. Now granted, I'm gonna try all the makeup stuff and I'll let you know how the quality is, but I've tried the lip stuff before and I think it's fantastic. I might have tried some of the other things. But anyways, even the fact that these palettes are so excellent. I mean, I think you could probably spend $40 on these, even just on Amazon, because they're like $8-9, right? On Amazon for something this size. This is really awesome. If you had a really good Black Friday, Cyber Monday, that whole weekend haul, or a really good Shopmissa haul in general, because they always have sales. I would love to hear your product recommendations, things you love, things you hate. Let us know down below. You'll help other people with your expertise and your information too. If you found this video fun, interesting, perhaps informative, I do hope you hit subscribe down below and maybe give it a like, a dislike if you didn't like it. Let me know your thoughts. Wherever you are, I hope you're having the best day that you possibly can. Be kind to the people around you. Thanks for hanging out.